guys! Good day! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV. Hello guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Pherl TV. For those who are just new to this channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button so you will be updated whenever I have new vlogs uploaded, okay? So, you want to let your vlog? Hello guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV. So for today's video, we're going to chop this yellow pin, okay? I have just bought this yellow pin outside, and then today I will show you how to chop a yellow pin. I will try if I still know how to chop yellow pin, okay? So yun guys, start na tayo sa pag-chop ng ng isda, okay? Paano ba i-chop ang isda? Guys, gagamitin ko yung aking background knowledge, okay? Kasi before, I'm selling fish also in the market. But I haven't tried in the market to chop fish. I'm just watching the people doon while they're selling, okay? And right now, I'll try if I can do it. The thing that I learned by watching, okay? So this is a very fresh. How will you know that the fish is fresh? Still, the ice is not red, okay? So, yan. So, una, unahin natin guys sa puwet. Okay? So, yun. Malalaman nyo na masariwa pa yung isda pag ganyan siya guys, oh. Fresh. Reddish, nagdudugo pa siya, dudugo-dugo, and yung laman ganyan, okay? This is a fresh fish, okay? Okay? So, yun guys, as you can see, ayan, sinapos siya ng ganyan, and then, chop na natin siya ng tuloy-tuloy na, okay? Okay? So, ayun guys, napusta ko ng isda. Ayan. Diba? So, dito naman tayo sa the right. Ano, diba? So, dito matinik siya guys eh. Dito ko siya titirahin kasi dito mas mabilis. Okay? Okay. Okay. Ano siya guys? Madugo. So, kailangan natin guys ng pwersa, okay? So, yun, okay? Okay? So, yun na guys. Na-slice na natin. Fish. Ayan. Okay? Ito guys, pwede pa siya ihalo sa pagluto. Tatanggalin mo lang yung mapait, apdo. Yung apdo. Fresh. So ayan guys, tinan nyo. Magandang pagka-slice, hindi durog. Nga pala guys, tip ko lang, kung ipi-freezer nyo yung mga fish na chinap nyo, kung small family lang naman kayo, pwede nyo namang hiwa-hiwalayin. Kung 3 putahin nyo lulutuin ito, na isda na to, hati-hatiin mo na sa plastic bago nyo i-freezer. Para just in case, nalulutuin mo na yung yung isang pack, hindi na madidisturb yung other, okay? Hindi kasi tama na papalambutin mo, papatigasin, nagki-create yun ng bacteria formation, bad bacteria formation. So the best is to pack each, kung alin din kung 3 luto, plastic mo na siya ng 3 para hindi ka na mahirapan na palambutin sila lahat para lutuin, okay? So, I suggest 3 packs, ikaligay mo sa ref, okay? Sa freezer, I mean, okay? Tapos yung lulutuin mo yung puro itong laman-laman, kukunin mo na lang yung isang plastic. Hindi mo na didisturbuhin lahat ng isda, okay?